Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we are checking out this Mirio Kalimba. And a Kalimba is just a little, also known as like a thumb piano, I guess. So let's see what we got here. Inside we have this beautiful little case. Kalimba instructions. Some songs in there, little star. You Are My Sunshine, practice music. Looks like this nice little felt bag. It's pretty sweet. And in here, pretty cool little case here, nice and sturdy. It's got a little handle there if you want to hold it. Okay, so this one inside, it's got these audio cables, so it looks like you can hook it up to your PC or something. We'll try to get that done. A couple little thumb covers to play it with. And then we have the actual Kalimba itself. Look at that. I really like the coloring. It's got a nice little elk or a deer or something on there. Yeah, really cool coloring with the wood grain there. Apparently, I think you can hook up some other audio things down here as well, but this one has this audio jack right here for this plug-in, and I think you need an extra device to plug it into your PC or something like that. I'm going to try to plug it in, see what happens, but also this comes with a little tuning. See that? And these also, you can, if you tap these down a little bit, it'll alter the sound. And you can get little apps online or whatever, and you can test it and it'll tell you if the key is right or something. So that's cool. All right. Wonder if we can play Sound of Silence. All right, I need to practice on that. Pretty good sound quality though. Okay, so it looks really spectacular. It comes with all these little tuning tuning hammer, the double thumb covers, the extra hookup there, a fun little musical device that you can take wherever. Let's go plug it in the PC and see what happens. Okay, so took this out of the bag and I need an adapter for my computer. So I'll plug that in. Go plug it into the outlet in for microphone down here. And then we'll plug it into this right here. Right. Okay, guys, so when I plugged it in, it makes it brought up this screen on my computer, but I don't think it's getting enough boost to actually it just makes little clicking noises kind of coming through the speaker. But my speakers are my PC ones, are on my really bad ones for the monitor, so that's why it's not really doing. I think you need a little amplifier on it too to get the sounds to come through on your computer. So, but it does have that option. All right, here's my second attempt here. Sound of silence. All right, not too bad. I don't have any fingernails really on this one, so if your fingernails are a little bit longer, it's a lot easier to pick the keys. And also, I guess if you hold these in the back, I saw someone like altering one, they're putting in like one of these in the back of this, but you can make a kind of a yaw sound if you cover that with your fingers or whatever. Pretty cool little musical instrument. I wish I could play it better, maybe a little bit of practice, and that'll come in time. But if you guys want to check this out on Amazon, it runs about $22, and it comes with all these things. Also, where did my instructions go? Oh, it comes with these, a nice little cloth so you can clean it down, and these little markers. You can put these on your keys and make it easier to play, find the notes or whatever. So pretty cool little musical instrument, guys. Can be hours of fun and enjoyment. Easy on the ears. It's not too loud. I mean, you can hook it up to the electrical thing. I'm sure you can make it louder, but pretty fun little device here, guys. Check it out on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.